In this video, you'll learn how to duplicate a database in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to create a copy of your existing database, retaining all its contents and settings. Begin by navigating to the Notion website at notion.so. Once the page loads, ensure you are signed into your account. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials to access your workspace. Next, look for the option to add a new page. This can typically be found in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click on the Add a New Page button, which will create a blank page where you can start the duplication process. After the new page appears, locate the title section at the top of the page. Click on this area and type in a title for your new page. This title will help you identify the duplicated database later. Once you have titled the page, click on any blank space within the page. This action prepares the area for your next entry, which will be to create a database. Now type in the command /database in the blank space. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear with options related to databases. This is an important step to ensure you are creating a database format. When the drop-down appears, find and click on Database Inline. This selection will insert a new database directly into your page, allowing you to proceed with the duplication. Next, locate the database you want to duplicate, such as Tasks Tracker. Click on this database to select it. You should see the contents of the database displayed on your screen, confirming that you've chosen the correct one. After selecting the database, look for a button labeled Get Started and click on it. This action will initiate the setup process for the database you are duplicating. Following that, you will see a Done button appear. Click on this button to confirm that you are ready to proceed with the duplication process. Once you have completed the previous steps, find the 6 dots icon that represents the options menu for your database. Click on these dots to reveal more options related to the database. In the options menu, click on Duplicate. This action will start the duplication process, creating a copy of the database you selected. Finally, select Duplicate, and from the subsequent menu, this option ensures that all the data and settings from the original database are included in the duplicate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.